Alright, good evening everybody. Vice Forecaster Diddy Rap with you. Back in the Weather Center. We got Storm Tracker N with me right now on here. So we got a new severe thunderstorm warning, and I just came on for this one thunderstorm warning at first too, because it's showing hazardous ping pong ball size hail with the storm and winds up to 60 miles per hour. So that
And
could be
up there, I just looked at the Storm Prediction Center's massive discussion, and it's saying up there it's a little bit capped. So that's going to inhibit some of these storms from putting downdrafts to the ground. So it might initially have a little bit of hail, but they're expecting the low-level jet will be ramping up far enough that it might help erode the cap, and we can get some tornado and damaging wind threat to persist on.
Yeah, that's still not going to be good because this still has a little hook on it. So we'll take a look at the velocity. Yeah, not really much with this storm, but this storm still shows me signs. The storm tech said up to ping pong ball size hail. So that is, look at that, and look.
Yeah.
That is very large hail with that storm. So make sure you're indoors and make yourself safe with the storm, because this is a very strong sail that's capable. And this tool here we could use for hail too, right? This tool, this CCC could go for the hail too. Looks like it looks like it's producing some very large hail with it. So definitely ping pong ball size hail is very big. So definitely be safe on that. And also we have a two new severe thunderstorm warnings just got entered down here. This new one goes into effect into for eastern Grant County and central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County, and south central Arkansas to about 6 p.m. At 5:20, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sharon, moving east at 55 miles an hour. So what we got to expect, 60 miles of wind gusts and hail up the size of quarters with the storm. So this storm still looks like it's going to be another hail producer, but pulling velocity up. What do you think, Ian? Is it tighten up?
But down there, the atmosphere is soupier.
Yeah, this one
and it's a little bit colder aloft, so you're able to get pretty much all different types of severe down there.
Yeah, this storm still could produce a tornado, but it doesn't. I mean, the atmosphere could produce anything, but the hail looks very low on this. So, but I'm really watching, see what happens over here. There's a little cup up there, right?
That's behind the radar, JD.
Oh, sorry. So this storm still looks like it could produce winds up to 60 and hail the size of quarter. So that's what we really have to watch. And flooding's been becoming an issue I've been mentioning the last couple of times. It's really ramping up in Kentucky a lot. We've seen the heaviest rain. This severe thunderstorm warning is still capable of producing hail the size of ping pong. And still looks like I'll put the last frame in this. And you can see this storm is very probably to break windows out. Ping pong ball size hail is enough to break windows out. And tornadoes can develop in thunderstorms quickly. I mean, this is the problem when we get into tornadoes can develop very quickly. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning. First one goes in effect into around 5:45. I'll expire this in a little bit. And this one down here will expire at 6 p.m. If we get a tornado warning, and first of all, I want to show everybody here what we got in place. This area with the quasi system, it's still continuing, right?
It still could continue, yes, for sure.
And that's just going to lead to an isolated spin-up tornado deal. Like me and Isaac and Anna trying to tell you, you need to remain for possible tornadoes. We'll continue. And I'll break in if there are any more warnings, and the whole team will be here if we need to.